Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Apple Education's Daily Tech Tips. And in today's video, we're looking at how to install Google Docs add-ons. Now, Google Docs is a very robust online document processing application with literally most of the features you need to create and process documents and slides and spreadsheets. But even as advanced as Google Docs is, there are add-ons to help you do more and be more creative. Now, before you can use an add-on on Google Docs, you need to install it first. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Docs and open any document, preferably the document you want to use the add-on on. So once the document is open, go to the menu bar at the top and then click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons. And a window will pop up with the add-ons store or something like that, where you'll find a lot of add-ons that you can install in your Google Docs. So you can search for the add-on you want. If you can't find it there, you can use this search bar to search for the add-on that you're trying to look for. Remember to be careful with these add-ons because these are not by Google, these are created by individuals. So you might want to be careful with them because you might have to give them some kind of access to your Google account before you can install them into Google Docs. So click on the add-on that you want to install and give the necessary permissions, and that's how to install Google Docs add-ons. Now, to use an add-on you've just installed, simply go to add-ons again and then scroll down and then click on the add-on you just installed. So for instance, I installed the translate add-on, so I'll just click on it right there and it's gonna give me a window. And that's how to install add-ons on Google Docs. Now you can manage the add-ons you've installed by simply going to add-ons again and clicking on manage add-ons, and that will show you the add-ons that you've installed. Since I've only installed one add-on, it's going to show me only one of them. So if I want to uninstall or remove this add-on, simply click on manage and then select remove, and that add-on will be removed from my Google Docs. So that's basically how to install Google add-ons and also how to use and delete if you wanted to. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. But until the next one, my name is Chris and I'll talk to you guys soon.